In places like Japan, China, and even the United States, many older adults often feel lonely. Their family members may live far away or stay busy with work, leaving seniors without much company. To help with this, some companies are creating lifelike female robots made to give comfort and keep people company. These robots aren't just machines, they can talk, react, and spend time with someone in a warm and friendly way. In this video, we'll look at some of the most amazing female robots built to support older people. From Japan to Turkey, and China to the UK, each robot is designed to bring something special, whether it's friendly conversation, natural movements, or even simple entertainment. Let's take a closer look at how technology is helping bring care and connection to those who need it most. Meet Alf, the latest hyper-realistic creation from Headform Robotics, a groundbreaking leap in humanoid design. Each unit is powered by up to 30 precision-built actuators, allowing for remarkably smooth and lifelike movement that surpasses most other robots in its class. From facial expressions to natural body gestures, Elf is engineered to feel as close to human as technology allows. With advanced AI and robotic arms, it responds with a level of fluidity that makes every interaction feel personal and intuitive. Its ultra-realistic skin texture and intricate facial mechanics enhance the sense of presence, creating an experience that's both comforting and engaging. What truly sets Elf apart is its deep customization, appearance, behavior, and even emotional responses can be tailored to meet individual needs. Whether it's for companionship, research, education, or guest-facing roles, Elf represents a new era in humanoid robotics, where empathy and innovation meet. Mangi. Introducing Mangi, the newest hyper-realistic female robot developed by Chinese tech company MMX. Standing at 165 centimeters and weighing around 35 kilograms, Mangi mirrors the size and shape of an average adult. Her body is crafted with high-grade silicone skin over a durable steel skeleton, allowing for lifelike movement and a natural appearance. The silicone surface is soft to the touch and designed to closely mimic real human skin, enhancing the sense of realism. Inside, her steel frame ensures smooth, balanced motion, making her movements feel fluid and stable. What sets Mangi apart is the high level of visual customization. Buyers can choose everything from skin tone and eye color to makeup and hairstyle. Every element, including individually implanted eyebrows and delicate eyelashes, is crafted to achieve a lifelike look. Priced between $3,000 and $3,500, Mangi offers an accessible option for those seeking a realistic companion robot. Originally developed in Japan, she was recently showcased at Stuttgart Media University in Germany. Yara. With the debut of its first humanoid robot, Yara, Turkey has taken a significant step forward in the world of robotics. Developed through advanced AI and engineering, Yara is designed to replicate natural human speech, facial gestures, and emotional expressions. This marks a major achievement for Turkey as it builds its presence in the global robotics industry. What truly sets Yara apart is her role in entertainment. She's among the rare AI robots capable of performing both acting and singing. When Yara was first introduced in 2021, she drew national attention for her appearance in Turkish cinema, where she was promoted as a digital human capable of on-screen performance. Her AI-driven voice system allows for realistic, two-way conversations, making her interactions feel authentic and engaging. Equipped with real-time emotion recognition and facial expression analysis, Yara can sense and respond to human emotions, enhancing her ability to connect with users in a meaningful way. Fred. Fred is a cutting-edge humanoid robot originally developed as part of a publicity campaign for the second season premiere of Westworld. His main objective was simple: convince everyday people that he was a real human. Built by Engineered Arts, a UK-based robotics company, Fred was brought to life in just 3 months. His face and body were modeled directly from a real 55-year-old man, giving him an incredibly lifelike appearance. Fred's silicone skin, human hair, and realistic acrylic eyes contribute to a level of realism that's truly remarkable. Underneath his exterior is a complex metal skeleton powered by multiple precision motors, allowing him to move with natural, human-like fluidity. To test Fred's realism, he was placed in a London bar dressed in everyday clothes, casually chatting with unsuspecting patrons while hidden cameras recorded their reactions. Controlled remotely, Fred even made subtle references to Westworld, all part of a clever demonstration of real-time AI and robotics integration. Katsurabicho. Japanese scientist and educator Hiroshi Ishiguro created a lifelike robot modeled after the legendary performer Katsura Bicho, blending cutting-edge technology with the preservation of cultural heritage. This robotic tribute uses advanced motion tracking systems to replicate Bicho's signature movements, from subtle head tilts to distinct arm gestures and facial expressions. Even his deep, resonant voice was recorded and carefully reproduced to maintain authenticity. The robot is also programmed to perform selected Rakugo routines, a traditional Japanese storytelling art form, allowing technology to help preserve this centuries-old practice. While the robot's mouth lacks full emotional range, from a distance it bears a remarkable resemblance to the original performer. His voice, posture, and signature movements are impressively lifelike. The entire project took about 2 months to complete and cost over $1 million, an investment that highlights how AI-powered robotics can safeguard cultural legacies. This effort proves that modern technology can help keep important traditions alive for future generations. Jangla. Jangla is a Chinese humanoid robot who has captivated audiences nationwide since her first appearance on television 3 years ago. Designed by X Robots, China's leading company in hyper-realistic robotics, Jang is based in Liaoning province and stars in a tech-centered TV program titled Encore, Creating the Future with Intelligence. On the show, she introduces viewers to the latest innovations in science and technology. Her unique appearance combines lifelike silicon skin with visible mechanical elements, giving her a futuristic yet approachable look that has also made her a social media favorite. Jang is portrayed as an 18-year-old with everyday interests like singing, reading comics, and enjoying snacks, which adds to her charm and relatability. Underneath her friendly demeanor is powerful technology. She can analyze data, process complex information, and store vast knowledge. With smooth hand gestures, realistic lip syncing, and a pleasant voice, Jangla makes even advanced topics feel accessible and engaging for all audiences. Ready for the next one? HPR4. HRP4C, affectionately known as MEM, is a Japanese humanoid robot designed to resemble a young woman. She was developed by Japan's National Institute of Advanced Industrial Science and Technology in collaboration with Katayama Industries and Kokoro Company, and officially unveiled in 2022. Standing 158 centimeters tall and weighing 43 kilograms, MEM is equipped with numerous motors that allow her arms and legs to move fluidly, creating a realistic and graceful presence. But her talents go beyond physical gestures. MEM can understand spoken language, respond to questions, and engage in basic conversation. Her face and neck contain small motors that allow her to produce lifelike expressions, including smiles, frowns, and subtle emotional cues. In total, 30 motors control her body, with 8 focused on facial expression alone. These capabilities make MEM well suited for public appearances, stage performances, and even fashion shows. She can also process ambient speech and sounds, adding another layer to her interactive potential. Grace. Grace is a humanoid robot designed with a clear mission, to support healthcare, especially elder care. Developed by Hanson Robotics, Grace features advanced sensors, including a thermal imaging camera in her chest, allowing her to measure body temperature and pulse without direct contact. This non-invasive approach makes basic health assessments quicker and more comfortable. Grace is powered by sophisticated AI that enables her to communicate in multiple languages, including English, Mandarin, and Cantonese, making her accessible to diverse populations. Her role isn't to replace medical staff, but to assist them by enhancing both efficiency and patient experience. According to Hanson Robotics CEO David Hanson, Grace was created to ease feelings of isolation and offer emotional support. She can guide patients through calming activities like meditation, engage in talk-based interaction, and even help preserve memories by recording personal stories. Grace blends care and companionship, making her a thoughtful addition to modern healthcare environments.